her head.
Allez, maman. Allez. Allez, viens,
One, papa. Hi guys.
What are you doing?
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is the only ferry in Galveston, Mom?
Yeah, this is the only ferry, yeah.
We're heading to go on the ferry today.
Okay.
But this ferry is special. The car is going to drive directly onto the ferry, so I'm anticipating that experience. So we're in the line waiting to go onto the ferry.
There's ferry about every 15-20 minutes, so that the wait should not be too long. Yeah, it's hot outside, so
We're just chilling in the car until it's our turn to get onto the ferry. And how long is the ferry ride, Ma? About 10 minutes ago? 15 minutes ago. 15 minutes? So we're gonna ride the ferry for about 15 minutes to go to another little
to Port Boulevard.
Port Boulevard. I think is a small island, right?
No,
it's not.
Island.
no, it's the land.
Oh, it's a land.
But there's no bridge from here to the other side, so there is the ferry.
Okay. So we're going on this little adventure on this hot day. So we're gonna take you guys along with us. Guys, we're driving onto the ferry right now. How cool is this? We're now onto the ferry. Tyler making noise. What are you saying?
Noise.
Look at your nose.
Wait, no, it's sweet.
What? Look at his nose.
It's not sweating, it's
Sweat. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is another one coming in. With all the cars on it. So we're gonna go upstairs so we can get a better view of what's downstairs. So we're about driving off the ferry right now. We're driving off the boat. And onto the road.
After I was wiped out.
All of these, there's
Was wiped
nothing,
out?
everything blown out.
Really?
There's one house.
outstanding.
Where it is, baby?
Outstanding.
Where it is? It must be a monument now. Or
It should be.
fake.
It should be.
You see what the houses are
Bad
on
hurricane in
the tar.
2008. Okay. And it affected a lot of
Historical
people.
marker.
Hundreds of people died. And so many things happened here. Because of the hurricane.
Right,
Because
the water.
yeah.
So
Like
that's
I
how
just
the
say,
houses
raise
are.
it up
They
the
raise
place,
them
you
on
can-
these
Yeah.
stick things.
They're on stilts.
As a matter of fact,
Stilts, they're
the
called.
road further.
Jeez, but look how they heist the houses.
All, yeah.
Man. Man, these people are really prepared for our next one. Just in
But
case.
is it solid?
Is it yes, I think that's
Solid?
the word.
Yeah.
Solid, yes.
Yeah, you see the poles are, they're big.
Because remember, you know, and me and Fabi have this discussion already, you know. The biggest problem with hurricane here is the water,
Mm-hmm.
not the wind.
No.
They're feeding the birds. How cool. Look at mommy.
What'd she say?
Attention please. Black on yellow arrows are located on the deck at various other locations. In the event of an announced emergency, and follow the black on yellow arrows directing you to the muster station.
Oh, is mommy feeding them?
Once there,
Mommy, run! Look! Ah! Mommy feeding the birds. They're attacking her head. Yes. Look, they're following you. You stay there. Wait, I'm going to catch these. Mommy feeding the birds. That's so cool. Oh Lord, mommy feeding the birds on the boat. Suppose they poop upon me. Tyler, look.
Allez, va maman. Allez. Allez, viens, 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 viens.
One, one, Papa. One, Papa. One.
Allez, viens.
One.
Allez, viens, maman.
One.
Debout.
One.
Allez, debout, va maman. Allez.
One.
Allez, viens.
One, Papa. One, Papa.
Allez, va maman.
Hi guys, so we are back from our little ferry adventure and we had so much fun, and it's now time to give this little one a nap because he was getting so fussy. Guys, you see how much tan I got? Look at the difference between the color of my hands and where my watch was. So the ferry was interesting and fun. We enjoyed the little ride, and I'm going to put Tyler down for a nap now and get a little nap myself. I'm feeling so tired, so hopefully you guys enjoy. You want to say hello? You want to say hi? Tyler, say hello. See, I'm being naughty. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. See you guys later.